fire starter has done its job. An easy fire kit. You can store one of these in your car, take them out camping. It's a DIY day. It's fun. Stay tuned. These kits are very inexpensive and they're guaranteed to start fire. That or your money back. We have an inexpensive Duraflame log. Pine Mountain. I paid $2 for this over at the commissary. Some matches I picked up over at the Dollar Tree for $1. We have 5 of them. We're only going to use 4 because I only have 4 1-quart freezer bags. Then we have scrap paper. Why? Because it's always nice to have a little bit of scrap paper to start your fire. You take this out of the... This is just... All this wrapper does is hide what is inside. And this is mostly wax, bark, and sawdust. To make our logs, when I first did this the first time, I used a saw. This is my rock and chop. All you have to do is take yourself about 1-inch piece and just rock and chop it. This one's a little fat. I do have to put some weight down there and make sure to protect your hand. It's just like cutting a piece of birthday cake that your grandmother made you 5 years ago. Take some scrap paper. We put it in the bag. Box of matches with a striker. Put that in. You can also use cheap lighters if you want. And just a little bit of firewood. There you go. That will start a fire, or that'll start even 2 fires if you use the Duraflame log conservatively. Now that is well under $1 right there. Oh, I forgot to say I didn't spend very much on the bags either. The bags, I think I got 28 of them for $1.50. And yes, Andrew of Andrew's Simple Cooking, I'm not using my overhead rig. Be very careful not to cut yourself. Always keep your hand on the back side of the blade, not on the front side. There's another piece of Duraflame log. Doesn't have to come out whole. You can have it break up. Make sure that you wash your knife that you use, or whatever you use to cut this with, thoroughly afterwards if you're going to use it for food. Kit number 2. It's time to make the fire. This is my magic fire starting kit. It's nicely chopped wood, pre-log cabin, so that we can get this is the magic fire starter material. A little extra paper to keep it going. Who says there isn't a use for junk mail? Alright, we put this down the middle. Paper. Magic fire starter. Get a couple of pieces in there. So we have our paper, our magic fire starter, and 32 counts. So we got 32 matches to get this thing started with. Still burning. And now it's out. You know, you can never get things going on the first match. That's why you got to warm things up a bit. Try this again. Maybe we'll crumble some of these guys in there. Magic fire starter. Much fun to make. It is to sit by. There we go. are inexpensive. I think we're going to get it this time. The magic fire starter has done its job. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And here's some more videos to watch.